So here I'm going to explain basically if you're given a linear function graph, word problem application, how to identify your pieces. So here we go. For income tax purposes, a man uses a method called straight line depreciation to show the loss in value of a copy machine he recently purchased. He assumes he can use the machine for 8 years. The following graph shows the value of the machine over the years. Use this graph to answer the following question. Okay, I don't need the question to analyze a line, so that's important. The equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. That's slope-intercept form. Your b value is your y-intercept. Your y-intercept is where x is 0, which means that point right there is my y-intercept, or my 0 point. So that point is 0, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That does not mean the number 5. So this is where the reading comes in. The value is 5 thousandths. So even though it's 0, 5, this is talking about $5,000. So $5,000 is the initial or starting value. $5,000, the y-intercept is where we're starting. This is asking for the purchase price. That's where you start. I just spelled initial wrong. Boop. That's where you start. So that's your answer, $5,000. The other type of question they could ask is they could ask about the depreciation, the specific, like how the loss in value is changing. Now the loss in value is going to be based on how the graph is moving. So that's going to be your slope. So that's where, and I have videos explaining slope, but that's where you're actually going to look. You have a point there, and then the next point that looks like it's on a specific intersection is there. So if we do a quick graph analysis, this is going down 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your slope, which is the rate of change, how this is changing, it's going down 2 and over 5. Now again, that 2 is in thousands, so it's negative $2,000. And that 5 is in years. So it's negative $2,000 over 5 years. If you divide that, you would get negative $400 per year. So this is not what the question's asking, but if it does ask, what is the loss in value per year? That's how you would do it. You use the slope. So this can be used pretty much for any linear function graph, and that's how you would analyze it. Find the y-intercept, identify the slope. That's how you would interpret those graphs.